Moomoo versus Etoro. Which one is honestly better? Moomoo is a commission-free trading platform focusing on stocks, options, and ETFs. It offers a variety of charting tools, real-time market data, and a user-friendly interface. It's ideal for active traders who want detailed analytics and research tools. The overview of Etoro is a social trading platform known for its copy trading feature. It supports stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and CFDs. It's great for beginners and investors interested in community insights and easy diversification. For account types and minimum deposits, Moomoo has no minimum deposit for basic accounts and options for margin trading accounts. For Etoro, the minimum deposit varies by region, but it generally starts at $5. For customer support, Moomoo has 24/7 support with live chat, phone, and email options, and it's regulated by the US and international authorities. Etoro, though, has responsive support versus FAQ, live chat, and email. It's regulated globally with strong security protocols. So which one is better? Choose Moomoo if you want low fees, advanced trading tools, and detailed analytics for stocks and options. But choose Etoro if you prefer social trading, easy diversification across assets, and beginner-friendly features. Subscribe.